Alright, so we're finally going to make a website that interacts with us. The previous one, it ran everything on its own as soon as we loaded it, so not very interactive. This one, we're going to make the website actually sort of talk to us in a sense. So here's our previous code. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and delete everything just so we can do it from scratch. Now there's a little bit of extra code that I'm not including. There's some header stuff that I should be including, like a title tag and some of those things. But this isn't about HTML. This is just about the JavaScript. So if you're interested in that stuff, you can find it very easily. So we're just going to start with an h1 tag once again. So open and closing that h1 tag. And we're going to say maybe talk to me. So that's really kind of all that we need right now. Then we're going to put in some scripts. And once again, let's make sure that we close that tag. And this is going to be a little bit more sophisticated because we're going to actually make a function. So pretty easy. We actually just type function, and then we type what we want it to be named. So I'm using camel case here, so the first letter is always lowercase, and then any additional words, no spacing, no underscores or dashes or anything. Just the first letter of the next word is uppercase, so like humps on a camel. We're going to do parentheses because that's just what we do. And we will open curly brace, and we'll eventually need to close that curly brace. Alright, and in here we're just going to write something just really simple, like alerts and hello. So right now, this function won't run because we haven't told it to run. So we need to create some sort of call that the user can do to get it to run. So I'm just going to add another tag in here. It's just a paragraph tag, P for paragraph, and we'll close that tag too. You always want to close your tags, and we'll just say click me. Now I could have attached it instead to the talk to me, but I wasn't sure if that would be an obvious enough call to action for the user. Alright, so now we can't just put click me. Just click me alone won't make it work. We actually have to do something. So in the tag we're going to do on click equals, and in here this is where we put the name of our function, which was talk to me. So talk to me. And if I did everything right and I didn't make any typos, this should work. Let's give it a shot. Ta-da! So it worked. So now it's interactive.